He wants the calipers red.
Dipping like Peter Pan. She disconnected. Show the DC
gloss, and then we can do this gloss as well. And then here it is, the brand new from the dealership. This came in. It's going to be getting a full body paint protection film. We're going to be doing some cool little touch-ups on the delete, and as well as doing some foam delete and adding a little bit of it is going to be getting some new rims, some new winter tires, so it's ready for the winter.
Hey, shorty gon' throw that back to me. I got a sprinkling dust. Hey, body so teeny, some water. I got her pulled up in my cup.
Stay tuned. We're gonna go step by step with this one. Show you the in detail of what we do in the process of the PPF. Show you what we do with our coatings, and as well as the installation of the wheels and the tires. I'm thinking, should we leave some stuff gloss? That'll look nicer. What do you think? Because I show him a video of that, yeah, that we're doing blackout. The video, did the trims around the wheel, was it satin as well, or was it gloss? We can just put clear on this, right? Yeah, just put clear on this one. And then keep a gloss. I want to keep a few things gloss. I think that'll look nice.
Yeah, that one has gloss.
This part was gloss? And this part. I think this we can keep gloss. Gloss as well. And then the rest satin.
Yeah, the trims, they did satin.
Satin, right? Yeah, I think that'll look nice. And the wheels that are coming in.
Gloss is the side skirt on the bottom, and the trims around the windows.
Oh, he wants the calipers, eh? Harry. He wants the calipers red.
She want this lesson forever. I said I'll take her to Neverland. Told her that I'll treat her better. Then I am dipping like Peter Pan. She disconnected. Shorty DC now I move like a demon like Edge again. Like a fable, I've only seen her in the stories. I'm finna
Red?
I gotta confirm red or yellow.
And the side mirrors were gloss too.
Gloss, yeah, we're gonna do that. It's brand new, so we can just, yeah, it's just brand new. It's literally just, so what, he's gonna wash it, and then we can bring it there and lift it up. You can do your spray or whatever. Because we gotta do wheels on this too, eh? We got winter tires coming in. It should be okay. Yeah. Because the wheels are getting replaced with the new tires. And then we're gonna do the caliper paint for him.
She want a fairy tale, nah. No, this is not how the story end. Hey, she want a fantasy, she want a
And then these guys can do the PPF there. That one. Even if we tighten the bolt on the bottom. Welcome to World GT Auto. We're going to be talking about going in a little detail with the wraps on this car. We're doing a full matte finish, which is a matte PPF. It gives you the transition of the gloss original color of the car to a matte, and it gives you the benefits of scratch, any stone chips, so you get a best of both worlds. Is getting the matte finish with all the protection. For this type of job, we have to remove all the stuff, such as the mirrors, the door handles, everything gets removed, everything gets tucked in, so you don't see any transition lines or anything. It's a seamless finish. It's just like factory. This car is also getting a full front grille wrapped in black. So we're going to do a gloss black on the full front. I want to go in depth of what it requires to do such a bulk finish. This is not a pre-cut, this is all bulk. Everything gets tucked in, everything gets hidden, so it's just like a factory finish. If you want to come take a look inside of this, it does require removing the panels, door handles, side mirrors, to have the perfect finish on this. If you guys are in the market of getting full body PPF, vinyl wrapped, any cosmetic work for your vehicles, hit us up at Royal GT Auto. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing the unreveal of this GLC 43. We had a full wrap done on it. You guys ready? Here it is, the GLC 43. We did a full matte PPF on it. With the gloss accents, we did the full emblems all blacked out, the side emblems as well as the back. We did a two-tone cover on this, just left some parts gloss and the rest of the vehicle got the satin PPF, and as well as the side mirrors, we left them in gloss. We did the full back logos all blacked out, the GLC 43, the AMG, everything got blacked out. Got a full winter package on it, did the full rims and tires, and as well as the calipers. So the calipers were originally silver, now it's in the red AMG with the logo on it. So here it is. So if you guys are looking for any type of full PPF, color change, as well as any vinyl wraps on it, hit us up at Royal GT Auto.